Do an oil change for one of our customers that works downtown. Torque wrench. There you go. New OEM filter. Synthetic. Set up our anti-spill funnel, brand specific funnel attachments. Make sure not to spill any oil. Do our inspection on the vehicle, brake gauge and tire gauge, and our inspection mirror. Alright, we need to reset the oil change light. Take out this old dealership sticker. This customer used to go to the dealer for her maintenance. Or seal of approval up here. And they'll know to call me, Coastal Car Works, and we'll come out and get it done next time. All closed up, let's go drop the car back off.